If you're experiencing connection errors in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, download, or other online games can interfere with your connection to Valorant. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections tend to be more stable and provide lower latency, which can significantly improve your gaming experience. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that Valorant is allowed to communicate through them. You may need to add exceptions for the game in both your firewall and antivirus software. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a public DNS server such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can improve your connection speed and reliability when connecting to Valorant servers. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate connection errors in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming.